Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this video, I will discuss with you about motion and time chapter. Okay, before going to start, I will recall some basic things which you have studied in the sixth standard, isn't it? Let's start with motion. What is motion? Yes, motion is nothing but some object. If an object is moving, if an object or a body is moving, then we will call it as a that body is in motion. Isn't it, students? Yes. By definition, we will call it as a in a science. By definition, we will call it as a the change in position with time. Okay, I will write it here. The change in position. The change in position of body, the change in position of body with the time. I think these definitions as well as types of motion you have studied in the sixth standard. Just I will recall those things. Okay? Yeah, the change in position of body with the time. What is it, sir? This is the definition in science. Okay, generally we will call it as a that is if I am moving, then I will we will call it as a I am in motion. If I will stand like this for a minute for a while, then you will call it as a sir you are in rest like that. By definition of motion that gives us that is the change in position of body with time. Is it clear? How? Let's see. If I am moving from here to there. Okay, from here to there. And the time stopwatch will changes. How? Let's see. I will start from here. That is, my position is changing with time. For what time? I have taken 7 seconds. Isn't it? With respect to time, my position is changing. This is called as motion, students. If suppose the time is changing, but I am stable here, then it is called as I am in rest position. See, here also 7 seconds also stable. That is, my position is here only. There is no change in position. Then it is called as rest. If there is a change in position, we will call it as a motion. If there is no change in position with respect to time, there is no motion. That is called as rest. He is at rest or a stationer or a station, like the words we will use. Okay, this is about the motion. And what are the types of motion? What are the types of motion? Types of motion. Yes, first one, rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion. And second one is circular motion. And third one is periodic motion. I think you all have been heard these words, isn't it? Yeah. Periodic motion. Okay. First, that is rectilinear motion, circular motion, and periodic motion. What's meant by rectilinear motion? That is motion in straight line. The motion in straight line is called as rectilinear motion. I will just write it here. Straight line motion. Okay? Straight line motion. Rectilinear motion is nothing but a straight line motion. Give me some examples. Yes. Soldiers moving in a march past. Sir, they will move in a straight line. Isn't it? Like this. Is it clear? That is motion in straight line is called as rectilinear motion. If suppose a bicycle is moving in a straight line. So straight road you got sir. Straight, it is moving in a straight. way, then it is called as the bicycle is moving in a straight line, or that is called as rectilinear motion. That is called as rectilinear motion. And the second one we have, that is circular motion. What is circular motion? The movement of an object in along the circular path. See, movement of an object along circular path. See here, circular motion is nothing but a movement of an object along the circular path. Along the circular path. Can you give me some examples? Yes, moving in a circular path. Yes, Akshay Kumar, correct answer. Let's see. A road is like this. A road is in circular. Okay, this is on the road. This is like ring road. Okay. Yes, a car is moving like this. A car is moving in a circular path. A car is moving in a circular path, isn't it? A car is moving in a circular path, along the circular path, round move. Then it is called as a circular motion. Is it clear? Then one more example: the earth revolves around the sun in a circular path, isn't it? This is sun and this is earth, and it will move around the sun in a circular path, isn't it? That is also called as circular motion. Is it clear? Yes. Solar system. Yes. Fan. Yes. Fan will comes under rotational motion. Don't be confused. Okay. Yeah. That is, see here, circular motion is motion in a circular path is called as circular motion. Is it clear? Then come to the third part. That is, we have third type, periodic motion. Periodic motion. What is meant by periodic motion? The motion is repeated in same intervals of time. Listen, I'll write it here. The motion is repeated in same intervals of time. The motion is repeated in same intervals of time. What is it, sir? Simple. See here, if a swing is here, jokali anta karitiralri? Yes, jokali. Okay. Is it first? It is moving like this. First, ikade bande, akade. Okay, is it like this? And like this. Then, if we will pull or a push, we will apply the force on it. Then it will move like this. It will move like this. Agree? Yes. Then the same intervals. The motion is repeated. See here, the motion is repeating at same intervals of time. Suppose 5 seconds CD alli hogi wapas bandre. Then again next 5 seconds it will go and come like this, and again like this. Isn't it? The time or the motion is repeating at the same time. It is called as periodic motion. Periodic is nothing but a repeating with same time, with the same time. Okay, one more example. I will, yeah, day and night. Yes, they are repeating. Then one more. Motion of pendulum. Very good, Manjunath. Yeah, I am Manoj. Yeah, it's okay. Clock. Yes, some periods. Like that's why we record as a periods. 10 o'clock in and period adriva. Then tomorrow also 10 o'clock in and period. It means motion is repeated in same time. Same time motion repeated like that. One more important thing we have to listen here. That is, if a car is moving repeatedly here. See, first round on 3 in a 10 second now we can complete. Okay, a car completes one circular path in 10 seconds. Again, it covers second type of or a second type motion in 10 seconds. Same 10 seconds. And third time also it takes 10 seconds. Is it clear? See here, a car is moving in a circular path. First 10 seconds togotri, next round 10 seconds togotri, third round then it also takes 10 seconds. Whether it is a periodic motion, see here, every 10 seconds, for every 10 seconds it is moving, and it is periodically, and it is moving periodically, and it is repeating continuously, then we will call it as a periodic motion. Helbodri now, just think of it. One more time I will explain. You see, if a car is moving in a circular path, then it is called as a circular motion. If it continues to rotate or it continues to move in the same time, that is 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, we can call it as a periodic motion at the Yes, that is Shashank. Yes, sir. Yes, very good. That is, we can conclude that is a object can the object can perform more than one type of motion in the same time. Yes, Viju sir, Vijay Patil. Yes, sir. Yes, that is, we can conclude that is an object can conclude. Okay, the object can perform more than one type of motion. That is, this car is performing circular motion as well as periodic motion, isn't it? If it completes only one rotation, then it is called as circular motion. If it is continuously or it is repeating for time to time or same time, we will call it as a periodic motion. Is it clear, students? In the previous video or in the previous class, I have explained about this. If any doubts, ask me here only. Okay? If the car is moving in a circular path by one round, then it is called as a circular motion. If it is repeating, ಮತ್ತೆ repeat ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ sir ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, then it is called as periodic motion. Is it clear? Yes. Now I will ask you some questions on this, and be prepared for typing the answer. That is, examples of motion. And type of motion. You have to tell that, you have to comment that which type of motion is this. First one we have soldiers in a march past. Soldiers in a march past. Sir, which type of motion is this? Very good, Akshay Pawar. That is rectilinear motion. Only one. And only 7 members are on live and only 5 likes. It's okay. Yeah, Shashank, that is rectilinear motion. Why, sir? Because soldiers in a march past, there will be a straight line motion, isn't it? There will be straight line motion. Manjunath Hiraman, that is rectilinear motion. Very good. That is, I will write it here, rectilinear motion. Move to the next. The block carts moving on a straight road. Moving on a straight road. Straight road, okay? Just jaga illanta straight road like this. Sir, here straight road. Block carts yavaglu now straight line hogi nodeli akkadi ikkadi hogtita, but he has given that is the straight road. Straight road gunta antandre there will be rectilinear motion. Very good, Akshay. That is also rectilinear motion. Is it? Yeah, it's also same. That is rectilinear motion. Yeah. Next one. Hands of an athlete. Hands of an athlete during a race. See, during a race. See, third one. Sir, comment madavati live chat olaga third, first, second hinge anta kodre, otherwise you will become confusion. Okay, first one is rectilinear, second one is rectilinear, and third one Annapurna. Yes, sorry, that is Shashank. Shashank, third one is circular motion. Yeah, one more time. That is hands of an athlete during a race. Hands ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ during the race. How we will run? Suppose a person is running. Athletes, Usain Bolt ನೋಡಿರಿ, PT Usha, like that. How they will run? Yes, while the race. Yeah, Manjunath Hiramat. Periodic motion. Yes, I will come to you. While they are running, what about their hands? How they will look? Isn't it? Sir, hinge ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. Like this. Their hands are moving like this. Isn't it? Their hands are like moving like this. Yes, Annapurna. That is Shashank. Period. Now we came. Is it? Their hands are moving like this. Isn't it? That is, they are repeating. They are repeating their motion at same intervals of time. Notice same intervals of time. They will move their hands. Manjula Kattimani, periodic motion. Yes. And Shashank, periodic motion is the correct answer because they will move their hands with respect to same time. Sir, fast photo time, just we have to look their hands. Hands during athletes, during the race. Race photo time, sir, like that they are moving. Isn't it? That is called as periodic motion. Very good. Okay? Yeah. And fourth one. Yeah, I will write it here. The pedals of bicycle in motion. Pedals of bicycle in motion. Which type of motion is this? The pedals of bicycle in motion. The pedals hand move ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. Manjula Kattimani, yeah, periodic motion is there. Circular and periodic motion. What? Akshay Power, yes. This law or this statement obeys both the circular as well as periodic. Isn't it? Suppose if the paddle moves only one round. Only one round. If it is moves in only one round, then it is called a circular. If it is continuous in motion, continuously move ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, then we will call it as a periodic motion. That's why the pedals of bicycle in motion will be both. That is circular motion as well as periodic motion. Circular motion and periodic motion. Okay? Yeah. Then one more I will ask you here only, or else I will write it here. Motion of spin or a swing, or motion of pendulum. Pendulum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, just I will say it as a swing. Motion of swing. Which type of motion it is? Swing, jokali. Just jokali ಒಳಗೆ round jokali ಬರ್ತಾವ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್. Just think of it. Just I am telling that like pendulum. Okay, just like pendulum. Okay, how it will move? Sir, jokali mane kattirtiralri, how it will move? Yes, that is periodic motion. Yes, Akshay Kumar, that is the periodic motion. If now circular swing ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, that will be a circular motion. Okay, depend upon a question, you have to write the answer. Yes, Manjuna, periodic motion. Very good. or as I will write it here as a pendulum. That is periodic motion. Take a screenshot of this and move to the next topic. We have interesting topic, that is speed. What is meant by speed? What is meant by speed? What is speed? Yes, next topic we have, that is interesting topic, that is speed. Sir, what is speed? Sir, in daily life we will hear this. Yeah, fast, whatever. Yes, speed, like this words we will use in daily life. Then what is exactly the speed? Yes, Nagraj Shilwan, that is which moves fast. Yes, very good. In general words, we will tell that which one or which objects will move fast. Yavdu fast untadri, then we will call that as a that is as a speed. Oh, how much speed? Yeah, bari speed or like that. This is about the speed. Moves fast, yes. Which you call it? That is which one or an object moves fast. We will call it as a speed. Then what is the definition of speed? See here, I will write it. I will write the definition. The distance, and I will explain you afterwards. The distance traveled by object, by an object per unit time. Okay, what is that? The distance traveled by an object per unit time or by unit time. Simple words. Object or a body, whatever it may be. What is the definition of speed? The distance traveled by an object per unit time. See, suppose in first example I have given, that is, suppose the object is in motion, it takes time. Okay, the motion is nothing but the change in position of an object with respect to time. Here, how fast the object covers the distance. See, simple words. Okay, if car is there, here A to B is the distance of 100 meter. Take it as a 100 meter. If I have taken a car isn't it? Car will cover the distance 100 meter from A to B in 20 seconds. If it is covers 100 meter in 20 seconds, 20 seconds ಒಳಗೆ A to B move ಆಯ್ತು. If cycle ತಗೊಂಡೆ, if I have taken bicycle which covers distance from A to B in 20 seconds, sir same speed ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ sir, it will take 50 seconds. For example, it takes 50 seconds. Is it clear, students? The car will move very fast compared to cycle, isn't it? The distance covered by car is 100 meters, same as well as that, and the cycle covered the distance is also 100 meters. But the car has taken only 20 seconds, but the bicycle has taken 50 seconds. So like that. This is called as speed, comparing of speed. Okay, this is called as speed. And definition of speed we have, that is the distance traveled by an object per unit time. Sir, innu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ easy ಮಾಡಿ, innu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ easy definition, that is speed is equal to distance traveled which will travel the distance object Object will travel the distance. Okay, distance traveled by is there, by means divided by time taken. Time taken. This is the speed, students. Speed is nothing but a distance traveled by time taken. Is it clear? Sir, one more. Inno solpa easy madam sir. Is it? Yes. Speed is yes anta tagondbidam sir. Speed is nothing but a yes. Then distance we will take d and time as t. This is the speed, sir. This is the speed. The formula of speed is equal to d by t. D is nothing but the distance traveled and t is nothing but the time taken. Is it? Yeah. Speed is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. Yes. And in the previous standard, that is in the 6th standard, we have studied about the SI units. SI unit ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ sir. Have you remember that? Sir, SI unit ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sub inspector. That is system of international or international system. Is it? Now, the question for you is, what is the SI unit of distance? What is the SI unit of distance? Or SI unit is nothing but in which quantity we will measure these. Suppose my height is 5 kg. Kg sir, meter sir. Like that, isn't it? If oil is 20 meter, isn't it? Is it clear? No sir, oil is kg or a liter, isn't it? Like that. Yes, very good. Nagaraj shield one, that is length. Yeah, that is length. Now I have asked you, that is what is the SI unit of length? Yes, Akshay Power, that is meter. Very good. That is meter. SI unit of distance is meter. I will write here. SI unit of distance is, just I will write it. Yeah. Okay, meter. Then what is the SI unit of time? What is the SI unit of time? Time ಅಂದ್ರೆ kg ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ 5:45 kg ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. No sir, 5:45 minutes. Sir, 5 seconds. Like that we will measure. Okay. Yes, Akshay Power, that is seconds. Manjunath, yes, seconds. Shashank, meter. Yes, very good. The SI unit of distance is meter and the SI unit of time is seconds. Second, otherwise yes. Now the question for you is, what is the SI unit of speed? What is the SI unit of speed? See here, you know the formula. Speed is equal to d by t. Isn't it? Speed is equal to d by t. SI unit of d is m, because I have written there. We know that is the distance. SI unit of distance is meter, and the SI unit of time is seconds. That is meter by second or a meter per second. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Is it clear, students? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ m ಇತ್ತು, m is meter, then the time is second. Now substitute these values, that is distance m by yes, it is meter per second. Okay, SI unit of speed is meter per second. Very good. SI unit of speed is meter per second, because as usual I have substituted in the formula. We will get this meter per second. Okay sir, and in other words we can also say that the SI unit will be measured in kilometer per hour. Confusion agbadri, in the next video I will clear about that things. Okay, now I have to remember that is the SI unit of speed is only meter per second. How to read this? Meter per second. Is it clear? Yes. Otherwise you have to write that is or meter per second or a meter to s to the power of -1. Okay, don't be confused. This is also called as meter per second. Okay, now let's see some more examples on speed. so that you will be clear about the formula as well as SI unit of speed. That is, I will check the three examples. A to B. Okay, here also A to B. And I will take from A to B. Is it clear? Yeah. The distance between A and B is same as usual, 100 meter. A to B is 100 meter. And here also 100 meter. Sir, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ here I have indicated that is meter. That means it's a distance. Okay, A to B same as 100 meter, 100 meter, 100 meter. Okay, yeah. In first case, a car in first case a car moves from in all the three cases. It's a technical problem. Where, sir? I think there is no technical problem. Okay, yeah, it's okay, continue after it. Here from A to B distance is 100 and as well as A to B 100 distance is there. In first case, car covers a distance from A to B in 10 seconds and B in 20 seconds, a bike covers 50 seconds and the bicycle completes in 50 seconds. Now we have to find out the speed. In all the three cases. That is, we know that is speed is equal to d by t. Is it, students? Yeah. The distance is 100 meter and the time taken by the car is 10 seconds. Or 10 years. I will write it as a 10 seconds. Then 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. That is 10 meter per second. What is this? 10 meter per second. This is the speed. Yeah, now it is clear now. That is, the speed of the car is 10 meter per second. Next move to the second case, that is by bike. We know that is the formula d by t. The distance is 100 and the time taken is 20. 21s are 25s are. Is it? Yeah. It takes it takes 5 meter per second. That is, speed of the bike is 5 meter per second. Then move to the bicycle. Exactly the same, d by t. Distance is 100 and time taken is 50 seconds and the speed will be 51s are 2s are. That is 2 meter per second. Okay, that the speed of the car is 10 meter per second and speed of the bike is 5 meter per second, as well as the speed of the cycle is 2 meter per second. Sir, artha agಲಿಲ್ಲ. See, 10 meter per second is nothing but per second. Per second means 1 second ಗೆ 10 meter fast ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Is it clear, students? That is, per second 1 second ಗೆ 10 meter fast ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. It means that is per second. For 1 second it moves 10 meter. That bike moves for 1 second, it will move for 5 meter. Only 5 meter. That cycle moves for 1 second, it will move 2 meter. It moves only 2 meter. And which will move faster? Yes, we can conclude that is the car moves faster than bike as well as cycle. The car moves faster. The car's speed is more as compared to bike as well as cycle. And the bike moves faster as compared to cycle. Simple, sir. This is about the speed. Sir cannot be able to listen your voice. It's okay. Afterwards, it will be uploaded. And this is about the speed, students. Now I will give you one homework for you. That is, take a screenshot of it. Will be uploaded. travels 360 meter in 60 seconds. Find the speed. Find the speed of car. It is a car travels 360 meter in 60 seconds. Find the speed of car. You have to find out the speed of car, and as well as you have to comment me in the comment section. If any doubt, students, ask me in the personal WhatsApp number or else contact me anytime. By this, I will conclude my today's session. If any doubts, ask me whenever. Okay? Bye.